We are unboxing the exclusive Ultimate Edition Usos 2-pack from my mom. And let's get this bad boy opened up. Alright guys, here is the Usos opened up pack. You guys saw a Bloodline video of this, we're doing that as well. So here we have it. And now there, it says Usos right there with cut faces, half Jay, half Jimmy. Right guys, let's see the Ultimate Edition logo right there. With the tribal tags. And then they have the Bloodline logo right there. Alright guys, we're gonna get this bad boy opened up. And when this bad boy's opened up, we're gonna continue the video. Alright guys, I'm pumped up to see the figures. I think they're just gonna have full black. Alright, we got Jimmy, Uso right there with the black, and then we're gonna have Jay Uso right here. Alright, there's a red tribal necklace. There is the Undisputed Tag Team titles, two heads, and then they got the hat and the black with the one shirt. Alright guys, we're gonna move this to the side real quick. Gentlemen, please and thank you. Alright. Same thing from Jay, same thing. Red tribal necklace, undisputed titles, heads, wheel ones, and black wheel one shirt. Guys, here's Jimmy and Jay, the Usos! Right here we got Jay, we got Jimmy, we got the We the Ones tank top, black tank tops, we got the tag team titles as well, and we got the heads, we got the red tribal necklace, and I'm pumped up, baby! Yeah! Let's get these unboxed, and then we're gonna take them to the ring. Guys, we're gonna take a look at the new head scans and the new accessories of the Usos, and we're gonna take a look at the head scans with the gray on the beard. It's pretty simple. Here we go. We have Jay Uso here, guys, and there is Jay Uso. We got the red necklace. We got tape on his pinky. I like this head scan because it looks like he wants to fight and seriously wants to fight, and he wants to beat up people. So that's why I have the head scan in the video. Look at the red shoes. Look at hips move. Right, it says Bloodline on the side of his pants, and we have the one hand, the red one hand on the back. And then he's got a back pocket right here, if you can see it. Give you a close look. Alright guys, let's start talking about the head scan. Same gray thing on the beard. We got cheese, and we got the necklace with the black thing. Kind of looks like same pants, same shoes, and same back pocket with the Bloodline hat. he's got the like tape right there, and bam. I'm excited for the Usos to be going. I'm excited to put the Bloodline together. I'm excited to have them facing Owens. I think they'll win the tag titles in EC3D. And let's take them to the ring. Alright guys, here is the Bloodline. We got the Usos, we got Roman Reigns, we got Solo Sikoa, and we got the full Bloodline. Roman Reigns is the current undisputed EC3D USA champion. I think the Usos have a shot to get the Raw and SmackDown tag team titles. Currently held by Randy and Riddle, the Raw ones, Sami and Owens, the SmackDown, and guys, here is another look at the packaging. Here, bam, 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 and bam, and goodbye.